Sometimes it's hard for me to show that I'm more than just a title or a comment going viral. There's more to me than people know. Some days I'm broke, some days I'm rich, some days I'm nice, some days I can be a bitch. Some days I'm strong, some days I quit. I don't let it show, but I've been through some shit.
What is up, y'all? I'm back with another video for you, and today I'm doing another Sephora Play unboxing, and this is September's edition. I just can't keep track anymore. Oh my god, this is like going by so fast. But every time I feel like you guys don't want to watch these, and then all of a sudden they get really viewed, it's kind of weird. So I guess I'm going to continue doing these. But if you guys want to know what is in this month's box, then just keep on watching. Also, if I sound sick, it's because I'm getting over a sickness, just so you know. But looking into this, they actually have a clear bag this time. Well, that's no fun. Open bag, pour out the samples, high five self. Okay, cool. But you get your 50 points thing. Hey guys, so fun fact, you can actually use these 50 points online now. You just have to go on the app and it will give you like a code of what to do. Mine was like SEP18, I think. I already used it, so I tried to go back to find it, and I think they deleted it since I used it already. But yeah, hopefully the next time I can show you guys how to get it on the app. But right now I don't know. But that's just a little update. Maybe you can find it. Just go on the app and look for it. But yeah, my complaint was always like, why can't you use this online? Now you can. So that's good. But now back to the video. And then opening the bag, you get this water cream. So this water cream is a moisturizer and hydrates skin with whatever. I don't know. I am not even gonna try. So it's just like a water cream. It's like, I guess. And this is by Sunday Riley. So it just looks like this. Next is a Lashcraft Big Volume Mascara. So just a mascara. It's a black and pink container. And then I like the brush. It's just like a curved shape brush, but it's pretty big. Put that away. And then we got the Hangover RX by Too Faced face primer. Love that stuff, just always good. And then we have the Peter Thomas Roth automatic heat mask. Ooh. So it's a hydrating mask. And then we have a lip pencil, like a lipstick type thing. And this is by Not Just Lip Service. Oh no, the Nude Sticks. What shade is this in? This is in the shade Kiss, I believe. I'm trying to open it. I'm not mad at that color. So it's kind of a rosy red pinky color. Not mad about it at all. And then we have a bonus feature for this month. It is, oh, I just sprayed it. It's like a floral scent. So this is just a perfume. I can't think today, and I'm just like spraying. I'm just spraying all over me. This perfume is by Flower Bomb Nectar, and it's like almost like a floral baby powder smell, but it's like not really baby powder, if that makes sense. And my dog wants it. Haha, I forgot I let him outside. That is it, and this is what the bag looks like. But yeah, I go through these super fast. There's just not really much to do with them. You just kind of go through and see what's in the box. But yeah, I'm really kind of excited for a new mask, like always, and then a moisturizer. I definitely want to do like a skincare routine video, just because I found a picture from a couple of, like 2 years ago or a year ago. Yeah, 2 years ago of my skin, and it was so bad. Like, I remember it being that bad, but I just almost kind of forgot how bad it was, and I thought my skin now was still really bad. But doing the comparison, my skin is nowhere near like it was. So I definitely want to do a skincare routine video, like a full in-depth one, not my simplified one. So definitely let me know if you guys want to know how I cleared up my acne and everything down below. But other than that, I think that should be it for this video. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this one. And give it a big thumbs up so other people can find me as well. Comment down below anything you'd like me to do next. You can follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, and my Facebook page. They'll be linked down below. And also hit the bell to be notified when I upload, which is every Wednesday and pretty much every Saturday as well. And I hope to see y'all in my next video. Bye.
I've patrolled these empty thoughts before, but I'm fixed now on the cure. I'm holding on to the last rock on the mountaintop, and I'm begging for your love. Do you remember the type of folk we used to be, and the simple souls we used to see?